Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful deviled eggs with bacon. If you guys would like to know how to make these deviled eggs with bacon, then tune into this video. Okay everyone, so the first thing I'm going to do to make my deviled eggs is I'm going to put me some bacon in the oven because these are going to be deviled eggs with bacon. I love deviled eggs with bacon. And the kind of bacon I got is the thick cut bacon. Okay, y'all see that? So that's what I'm using, thick cut real bacon. Here I have me a pot of water. I am going to allow this to come to a boil. I am going to add some salt, just a little bit of salt to the water, okay? And I'm gonna allow this to come to a boil before I place my eggs into the pot. For the ingredients that I'm using, I will be using yellow mustard. If you have Dijon mustard, use that. I will be using a little bit of sugar, about a teaspoon of sugar. I will be using some, you can use sweet salad cubes or relish. Hot sauce, just about 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. I will be using mayonnaise. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise. To season it up, I'm going to use some salt and black pepper. I mean seasoned salt and black pepper, but this is paprika. Seasoning salt and black pepper, just a pinch of each. 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of seasoning salt. You really don't even need that much. And I am going to use some room temperature butter, okay? Yep, room temperature butter. And of course, to start the show, you will need some eggs. So I will be using large eggs. So those are the main ingredients. Okay, so my water has come to a boil. And I'm going to lower my eggs in with this utensil here. Get you something just to lower your eggs in. And we are going to boil our eggs, you guys, for, I'm boiling mine for 13 minutes, okay? Allow them to boil for 13 minutes. So set your timer, you guys, between 12 and 13 minutes. Mine was already in there before I start the timer, so I'm setting it to 12 minutes, okay? Okay, when your eggs are done, have you ice bath. This means some water and some ice ready to place your eggs in once they are done. Okay, so my eggs are done. I'm going to take them out. Okay, and I am going to place them in this ice water bath. Okay, see that? Place your eggs in there like so. This is a good utensil to have. You can use it for, like I'm doing here, frying, a good strainer. Okay, so allow these to sit for a few minutes. Okay, so now I am going to get ready to start peeling my eggs. Okay, they should be real easy to peel now. So go ahead and just crack it on the side. And you should just be able to get under that shell real easily. See that? Some people want cracked nails on the side of a bowl because they don't want to mess up the form of the egg, and that's important, you know, for deviled eggs is the look. But it should be easy to peel now. So go ahead and take that off. See that? Get all that off. Tap it on the side or something, like a bowl, like the bowl you got it in. And see how easy it is to peel. Now to this water, you can add a dab of salt. and that also helps. Y'all may not be able to see that then on there when you get ready to start mixing your food. See? We're gonna cut it open in a minute, but let me go ahead and finish peeling these eggs. Okay, so now let's get ready to put our deviled eggs together. If you don't have a piping bag, I have one, I just don't feel like looking for it. Get you a Ziploc bag, because you're gonna need it, okay? So, the first thing I'm going to do is, see this? Your egg. We're gonna try and cut it in half as nice as we can, okay? So I'm using a cake knife, some say butter knife, because it works and make it real smooth. Y'all see how I got that cut? Okay? Try to get as close as I can so y'all can see. Okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the egg yolk and we are going to just put the egg yolk. If you just pull back on the sides of it, it'll fall right out. Okay? So your egg yolk, pull back on the side. Be careful not to break the egg, and it'll fall right out. I don't know how good y'all can see this. I gotta get better at my camera angles. Okay? Pull back on the side, and the yolk will pop right out. Ooh, I broke that one. Y'all be careful not to break them. And I'll be back after I finish popping these eggs. Okay, everyone, so all the ingredients that I told you I was going to use, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix them all in here. But the first thing I'm going to mix in is my butter, room temperature butter. Just go ahead and put that room temperature butter in there, like so. I had to take these gloves off now. I had to get it out with my hand. Okay, so I got that in there. Let me change my glove. And I want to mash that together, y'all. So go ahead and mix your butter in with your egg yolk. Okay. Now we are going to start mixing in everything else, okay? We're gonna mix in our black pepper and seasoning salt. Remember, you just need a pinch of each. You don't want too much. We're gonna mix in our sugar, just a teaspoon of that as well. Gonna mix in our dab of hot sauce. It wouldn't be a deviled egg if it weren't for the hot sauce. We're gonna mix in our mayo. Okay, that's about a tablespoon of mayo. That's all you need. If you like it spicy, you can add onion powder, some dill, and stuff like that. Now we're gonna dump in our mayonnaise. Okay, and y'all gonna use about a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of mustard. And we're gonna dump in our relish or salad cubes. And you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna mix all this together. Now our paprika is gonna be for the top. We're gonna sprinkle some of that on the top, and we are going to use our bacon on the top. Now if you would like to mix your bacon on the inside, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix that together, y'all. Mix it really good. Woo, I can't wait to eat these deviled eggs. They're gonna be so good. Now if you don't like a lot of mustard, you can definitely switch it up on how you want to do that. So go ahead and give that a good mix. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Ziploc bag, like so. And I'm going to start putting my filling for my deviled eggs inside of my Ziploc bag. The filling for the deviled egg is so delicious, but make sure after you mix it that it is to your liking. Don't add too much at first. Just add a teaspoon of each seasoning And then add more if you want more. Now when it comes to the sugar, if you like sweet deviled eggs, I would suggest you add in about a half a tablespoon. And I think I boiled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. If you're using a whole carton, you know you're gonna have to adjust accordingly. Okay, so we have our filling inside of this bag. I know it's messy looking, but that's okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try to squeeze this in, y'all. It's not gonna be pretty. This ain't gonna be no pretty decorative thing. I'm just gonna fill it in there. It just makes it easier to pipe it in. And then it's according to what type of, if you're using a good piping bag like you do for cakes, then that works out fine. Okay, can y'all see that? I'm gonna pipe that one in. I'm gonna finish this. Okay, so now we are going to, remember the bacon that I cooked? What I'm going to do is I am going to take my bacon. See how I'm doing that bacon? And I'm going to stick a piece of bacon into my deviled eggs. Make sure that it stands up right, like that. Try to get your bacon pieces as even. That bacon scream, eat me. Don't you wanna taste me? It's so appetizing and appealing. I'll be back when I'm finished. Okay, so now I have the bacon on all of my deviled eggs. Now I'm just gonna sprinkle them with some paprika. You don't want too much to cover. I know some people, they put too much of paprika on it. Paprika ain't got no flavor. It's just there for decoration and color, y'all. That's it. Okay. Now if you would like to go ahead and dab you some green onions or some dill on here, that will make it really, really pretty, okay? So, there you have it. My bacon deviled eggs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Oh! Stay tuned to my channel for another video. And don't ruin your deviled egg like I did. I'm going ahead and eat this one, y'all.